Urgently, analyzing a balance sheet is essential for understanding a company's financial health and evaluating its performance. Let's dive into the balance sheet analysis for Apple Inc., covering key insights and relevant concepts. Balance sheet analysis for Apple Inc. What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet provides a snapshot of a company's financial position at a specific point in time. It shows what the company owns assets, what it owes liabilities, and the residual value for shareholders' equity. Balance sheet components. The balance sheet is divided into three main sections. Assets represent what the company owns. Liabilities represent what the company owes. Equity represents the residual interest of shareholders after deducting liabilities from assets. Apple's high-level balance sheet as of September 25, 2021. Total assets, $352.8 billion. Current assets, $135.4 billion. Non-current assets, $217.4 billion. Total liabilities, $287.91 billion. Current liabilities, $154 billion. Non-current liabilities, $148.1 billion. Equity, $50.7 billion. Key ratios. Current ratio measures short-term liquidity. Apple's current ratio is 1.07, indicating a healthy liquidity position. Debt-to-equity ratio reflects the company's capital structure. Apple's increasing debt-to-equity ratio suggests more debt financing for share buybacks and dividends. Cash and marketable securities. Apple's strong cash position is a major strength. Cash and cash equivalents, $34.94 billion. Marketable securities, $27.79 billion. Current assets. Non-current marketable securities, $127.88 billion. Accounts receivable represents amounts owed by customers, for example, cellular network carriers, retailers. Apple's accounts receivable, $26.28 billion. Working capital at fiscal year-end, $6.2 billion. Negative working capital indicates potential liquidity challenges. Other assets and liabilities, property, plant, and equipment, part of non-current assets. Deferred revenue, part of other liabilities. Debt, part of non-current liabilities. Equity erosion. Apple's equity has eroded from $134 billion to $51 billion over the past years. Net cash and marketable securities represents the net value of cash and marketable securities after accounting for liabilities. Remember, analyzing a balance sheet involves understanding the company's financial structure, liquidity, and overall health. Cash is indeed king, and Apple's strong cash position contributes to its resilience.